Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you study here?
Yes, right here.
Is this your university?
Yes, my university.
What do you study?
I study engineering.
Is engineering difficult?
Yes, but interesting.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
What year are you?
I am second year.
Is second year hard?
Yes, quite hard.
Do you have exams?
Yes, next month.
Are you prepared?
Getting ready daily.
Do you study daily?
Yes, every day.
How many hours daily?
About 4 hours.
Is that enough?
Yes, for me.
Where do you study?
In the library mostly.
Is library quiet?
Yes, very quiet.
Do you like quiet?
Yes, helps me focus.
Do you have classes today?
Yes, 2 classes.
What time is first class?
At 9 o'clock.
Are you late now?
No, just on time.
Is being on time important?
Yes, very important.
Do you have a professor?
Yes, very good professor.
Is your professor helpful?
Yes, explains very well.
Do you ask questions?
Yes, many questions.
Is asking questions good?
Yes, best way learn.
Do you have homework?
Yes, always have homework.
Is homework difficult?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Do you do it alone?
Usually alone, sometimes group.
Do you have study group?
Yes, 3 of us.
Is group study helpful?
Yes, very helpful indeed.
Do you have a scholarship?
Yes, partial scholarship here.
Is scholarship enough?
Covers most of tuition.
Do you work too?
Yes, part-time job.
Where do you work?
At campus cafe nearby.
Is campus job convenient?
Yes, very convenient indeed.
How many hours work?
About 15 hours weekly.
Is that too much?
Sometimes tiring but manageable.
Do you have free time?
Very little free time.
What do you do then?
Exercise and rest mostly.
Is rest important for students?
Yes, very important, always.
Do you sleep enough?
About 6 hours nightly.
Is 6 hours enough?
Not really, need more.
When do you sleep?
Around midnight usually.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, at 7 always.
Is that hard?
At first, yes, now okay.
Do you eat well?
Try to eat healthy.
Do you cook yourself?
Sometimes, simple meals only.
Is student food expensive?
Yes, quite expensive here.
Do you have a budget?
Yes, careful with money.
Is budgeting important for students?
Yes, very important skill.
Do you use student discounts?
Yes, saves a lot.
Are student discounts helpful?
Yes, very helpful indeed.
What discounts do you use?
Transport, food, and cinema.
Do you go to cinema?
Sometimes once a month.
Is cinema expensive with discount?
No, quite affordable now.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, made good friends.
Are your friends also students?
Most of them, yes.
Do you help each other?
Yes, always help each other.
Is friendship important at university?
Yes, makes it enjoyable.
Do you miss home?
Sometimes, yes, I do.
Do you call family?
Yes, every single day.
Does family support you?
Yes, very supportive family.
Does that help you?
Yes, motivates me greatly.
What are your future plans?
Work as an engineer.
Is that your dream?
Yes, since childhood dream.
Will you achieve it?
Yes, working hard daily.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, always believe myself.
Any advice for new students?
Stay focused, enjoy learning.
Is university life fun?
Yes, best time ever.
Do you enjoy student life?
Yes, every single day.
Are you glad you came?
Yes, best decision ever.
Will you finish this year well?
Yes, giving my best.
Thank you for talking.